All right, boys and girls, this is 5 Little Raindrops. It's a counting kind of story. 5 little raindrops sat upon a cloud. The thunder roared, and it was very loud. And then the raindrops began to fall, and down they came, tumbling one and all. 5 little raindrops fell from the sky. One little raindrop fell upon my shoe. Down came another, and that made 2. Another little raindrop fell upon my knee. Oops, I can't turn the pages today. Come then now, 1, 2, 3. Another little raindrop. How many more? Count with me. That makes... That's right. Some of you recognize the groups without counting. That makes 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Another little raindrop took a dive. Come then, count them now. That makes... How many? That's right, 5. But the big sun will lift them. Like I talked about in another video, it's going to lift them up off the ground. The raindrops are going to move up back to the sky and go back into a cloud. The